storm signal number 2 here in Baguio, and I think it should be signal number 3 since last night, and we've had no power since last night. Unfortunately, we still have to do our jobs. So this is the wrath of Typhoon Egay, and we're actually the lucky ones. Those who are further up north of Luzon in the Calayan Islands, Cagayan, they're in a much worse shape. I think they had signal number 4 last night, so I'm really hoping that they're okay. I've packed our laptops because we really need to go to work. Carla, my wife, will have to work tonight from 9 p.m. Thankfully, I don't, but I'll still have to work tomorrow morning. I took a day off today because we don't have any power since last night. My solar generator has run out of batteries, and even if we wanted to stay here, you know, the solar panels aren't charging anything up in this weather. So yeah, we have to leave. We're traveling further down south to Pampanga, and we're going to be booking out a hotel where we can stay with our dog. So you know, that's one of the main criteria and the biggest challenge that we have in looking for accommodations. Anyway, I'm just gonna get packed so that we can hit the road.
We ended up staying at Bed, Bark and Breakfast, a B&B run by the Animal Kingdom Foundation in Tarlac, around 125 kilometers away from home. Not only was the place really cozy, it was also pet-friendly, so Bonnie could stay in the same room as us, and my wife Carl was able to work through the night.
Take you home. Catch your breath, darling, I've got you now. I'll cast a net that never lets you drown. I promise distance will only live in moments.
Hello. Miming, miming, miming. Oh, you're pregnant.
They also had a pool that can be used by both humans or your furry companions. Life vests are required for pets, and this is available for rent or you can bring your own.
Dog meat rin. Oo.
The Animal Kingdom Foundation also rescues animals around Tarlac and even beyond, and houses and rehabilitates them for adoption. After our short but relaxing stay at Bed, Bark and Breakfast, we decided to look for something that was cheaper, as we had no way of telling when power would be restored in our house.
I promise distance will only live in moments.
found a place that was also in Baguio but had both power and Wi-Fi. The room is smaller and not as nice as BBB, but it was decent, and again, Bonnie could stay with us in the room, or could also roam around their common areas, and they also had unlimited coffee.
Carry you straight back to me. You'll never be on this journey alone.
After spending 2 nights here, power is finally restored in most of the city. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed as well. Catch you in the next video.
We'll be right back.